Hello, and welcome back to the Babalian Money Show. Today, we're diving into a topic that is absolutely crucial for building real, lasting wealth: long-term thinking in finance. I know, in a world of instant gratification, thinking about 5, 10, or even 20 years from now can feel like a lifetime away. But trust me, this mindset shift is the secret sauce that separates the financially successful from those who are always just getting by. So, what does it even mean to think long-term? It's about looking past the daily noise of the stock market, ignoring the latest get-rich-quick trends, and focusing on a consistent, disciplined strategy. It is about planting financial seeds today so you can enjoy the shade of a massive money tree in the future. Let's talk about the magic of compounding. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. When you invest, your money doesn't just grow. The earnings on your money start to earn their own money. It's a snowball effect. In the first few years, it might not seem like much. You might even be tempted to pull your money out when you see a small dip. But this is where long-term thinking becomes your superpower. By staying invested through the ups and downs, you give your money the time it needs to truly compound and grow exponentially. A small, consistent investment today can turn into a life-changing amount of money over several decades. Short-term trading is often driven by emotion, fear, and greed. Long-term investing, on the other hand, is driven by logic and patience. Thinking long-term also helps you ride out market volatility. The stock market is like a roller coaster. There will always be highs and lows. If you're constantly checking your portfolio and panicking every time it drops, you're likely to make emotional decisions, like selling low and buying high, the exact opposite of what you should do. But if you have a long-term perspective, you understand that these dips are a normal part of the journey. In fact, for a long-term investor, market downturns can be fantastic buying opportunities. You're getting shares of great companies at a discount. It's like your favorite store having a massive sale. You wouldn't run away. You'd stock up. Furthermore, a long-term strategy simplifies your financial life. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius or spend hours every day analyzing charts. The strategy is straightforward. Invest regularly in a diversified portfolio of quality assets, like low-cost index funds or ETFs, and then let time do the heavy lifting. This approach is called dollar-cost averaging, and it's brilliant. By investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, you automatically buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they are high. It takes the guesswork and emotion out of the equation. This mindset also aligns perfectly with major life goals. Are you saving for retirement? A down payment on a house? Your kids' education? These are not short-term goals. They require years, sometimes decades, of planning and saving. By adopting a long-term financial view, you create a clear and achievable path toward these important milestones. You stop chasing quick profits and start building a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your family. It provides peace of mind, knowing that you have a solid plan in place. So how can you start thinking more long-term? First, define your financial goals and give them a timeline. Second, create a budget and automate your savings and investments. Pay yourself first, always. And third, be patient. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate the small wins along the way, but always keep your eyes on the long-term prize. Before we wrap up, a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about building a better financial future, please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the Babalian Money Show. We have so much more to share with you. See you in the next video.